The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Alexandra K. Trenfor. बुक नेम लोक शिक्षकों के जीवन का लक्ष्य एवं उद्देश्य, विजन एंड गोल्स ऑफ सोशल और कम्युनिटी एजुकेटर्स. What should be the goals and intentions of social or community educators? Educators in all forms and shapes have been contributing to make the world a better place to live in since time immemorial. Since success in life can be gotten only through knowledge and education, educators are the only ones who in a way facilitate it. Their efforts have eradicated unawareness to a large extent and replaced it with competencies, which has led to development in every field. While the need for community educators is always on the rise, the need for awareness regarding their real goals and intentions is many times more than that. Glad to present a book that brings forth the actual imperative set of goals and intentions that a social or community educator could and must follow. Few excerpts from the book. The process of social education is the highest service to God. The only reason that had distanced humans from God or divinity is unawareness and myths. Despite the promotion of lectures, what is the reason that even now the society is still where it was and had not moved on those preaching? Our personal conduct must be such that without uttering even a word, our character, our personality speaks it all. To create and influence, the magnet that you need to create is neither the power in your voice nor the well-versed ability to conduct a havan, sacred ritual. But the real magnet is the power that gets generated when we distance ourselves from greed and lust. When I had a vision for creating the Gayatri Tapobhumi, I realized the need of money for this, and for this I had to go and collect money from people. An inner voice said, before asking people to sacrifice, I need to sacrifice myself. Until I develop the ability myself, with what voice, what words will I be capable of asking it from people? You need to develop the power of influence within you, and it will be developed by giving up greediness. Few chapters covered in the book. Causes of distance from divinity, ignorance and myths. The power of commitment and faith. Learn giving, not greed and hoarding. What is the definition of spirituality? Proactiveness is the name of courage.